Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your SONY KD-43X TV won't turn on. If you were trying to turn on your TV using your remote control, then maybe your remote control batteries are dead and you're gonna have to replace them by removing the back cover of your remote control and removing the batteries from here and replacing them with another pair of 3A batteries, and then try to turn on your TV again. In the meantime, you can try turning your TV on by pressing the power button that is located on the bottom side of your TV right beneath the Sony logo. Just press it once, or maybe press and hold it for about 10 seconds and let your TV turn on. And if it still doesn't want to turn on, if it's not the problem, then maybe it's simply the cable of the TV doesn't sit firmly in the power outlet. So just check your power outlet, make sure that the TV cable is firmly inserted in here, maybe reinsert it once. And in case this doesn't help, we can try to power cycle the TV by removing the cable and leaving it like this for about 5 minutes, and then re-plugging it into the power outlet. Okay, and after the power cycle, try turning your TV on again by pressing the power button once again and see if it starts for you. And in case this doesn't help you, then also check if other devices plugged into the same power outlet work for you. Maybe it's an electricity problem, it's a power supply problem. But if other devices can work using the same power outlet, then at this point this might be a hardware problem. Maybe it's a cable problem. You can first try to replace by yourself a new power cable for this TV and try plugging it into your TV and then into the power outlet, and check if this helps. And if this doesn't help, then it must be a hardware problem inside your TV, and in such case you're going to have to contact the Sony customer support service and probably send your TV to them for repair. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.